Hey, this is your Olympic hero, Kurt Angle. Hello, YouTubers. Please subscribe to the Stout79 channel for awesome giveaways. Oh, it's true. It's damn true. This stuff can't be made up, folks.
Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday the 26th. We made it so far. Hope everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And it's that time of month again. One of the coolest WrestleCrates out there. Every month, get some wrestling goodies delivered to your door. You never know. Autographs, t-shirts, buttons, a few other things. Also, I think I have a promo code, or the link is going to be down below, and that will save you guys 10% off. Check that out also. So let's see what we have this month. And there we go. I'm trying to catch up with the UK tournament going on. And then Extreme Rules coming up. And then tonight we have SmackDown Live. Give that a shot. But, oh, there we go. And then All In's coming up. That should be cool how they're going to do it. And a few other good ones are always ROH, New Japan Pro. Definitely excited for the New Japan Pro Wrestling game coming out in August, I do believe, for the PS4, and I do also believe for the Xbox. So that should be good. Now we have t-shirt time. It's always t-shirt time here. Oh, this is cool. Oh man. Rest in peace. Oh, this is a shirt. This is a shirt to wear. Boom. What a rush. Hawk and Animal. Rest in peace, Hawk. There's Animal. Got the nice drawing. Hawk, Animal. Volume 1. What a rush. Man, oh man. Definitely one of my top 10 favorite tag teams. There's a few British Bulldogs, other goodies, and also they came out with these now. A lot of you guys should know this from our childhood. Muscle figures. And they're back. I think it's like here's series 1. Pack A is Blue Demon, Ruvatu Guerrero, Teeny Blast. Not sure who that is. Man, these bring back some memories. Jeez, look at that. That is crazy. Same size, almost the same exact packaging. I did the Let's Play on the video game Muscle Tag Team 1. That was kind of cool. Small Creatures. Legends of Lucha Libre. Awesome stuff right here. Super 7. I do believe that's the company that made them. Good stuff. Coming soon. Iron Maiden. Whoa. Shogun. Robotech. Masters Universe. He-Man. Mega Man. Aliens. Alien 1. Alien 2. The Worst. Don't know what that is. Oh, there's my dog again. There we go. And now we got a satchel bag. Oh boy. Oh, this is cool. Bag of gimmicks. It's like a backpack type for like the beach day or out in the woods. Got the brass knucks, thumbtacks, razor blade, the GEEK himself, more thumbtacks, a fork, Abdul the Butcher, McFoley maybe, Razor Ramon. Who had the brass knucks? Now we got the button time. Whoa. We got the big gorilla. Lapel, yeah. unless Matt T-Bobs, Matt Horton. He might be an indie wrestler. Sure. Uh-oh. We got the final issue of, or maybe not the final issue, but issue 3. Nikolai Volkov, Russia. Next we have, one of the greatest, Jake the Snake Roberts and Damien. Autographs got smaller, but still cool. Never had Jake. I might have a long time ago, but now I do. And you guys will get them also. Just sign up down below. Check them out. Cancel anytime. Sorry about that. Cancel anytime. And there's this checklist. Good stuff. Definitely the t-shirt and the muscle figures. Oh, there they go. They just did an elbow drop down on the ground. But the t-shirt is awesome. This is a good t-shirt. Alright, YouTubers, that's about it from the WrestleCrate June edition. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Be safe, and see you guys in a few. See ya.